Hello and welcome to Wietzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. So, welcome back to the channel. So, it's been a while. I've been making videos, but I'll make an announcement about what I've been doing. Took some time off to get some stuff started and filmed and edited, and so it's been a struggle. So, neighbors are gone. I'm at their place right now. Yeah. So Brett and Laura decided to go to Maine or Connecticut. No, I think it's Maine. And I got woodpeckers flying all over the place. So while they were gone, Brett had I helped him cut some trees down and some stumps, and he did some really neat stuff with the stumps. But I told Laura, I said, hey, while you're gone, I'll surprise you with something. So we're gonna carve an owl. So let's see if I can flip this around and we'll see how this works here. All right, I'm gonna pause it and then we'll look at this. So this is what Brett did. This is the big tree stump that we cut down, and I should have saved it and we should have put something big on there, but Laura didn't want any of that. So Brett made these cool little birdhouses and carved them up. I thought was pretty neat. And then I gotta watch where I step because there's a lot of stuff in here. And then this big stump that's left is going to be the owl. So, which is perfect. So I think I might, the way it's looking, let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. It looks as if I can have it facing this way. So when you pull into the driveway here, it's gonna look like it's looking at you. So I'll make the side come down here, the head facing this way, and then, talons, and then just, sitting up here. We'll see how that works. And then that way you're greeted by something every time you come into the driveway. So that'll look pretty nice. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna use an electric saw. I'm gonna use this little handheld battery electric or cordless saw, and my carving saw, which is MS 170, I believe. And we should knock this out pretty quick. All right, let's see what happens. to move the camera because I got to get to this side. So let's see if we can finish shaping this. All right, so far it's getting there. So I got the rough shape out and it's starting to actually look like an owl. Let me see if I can get up here. Oh man, I'm out of breath. So this is starting to show its form, which is good. Got the tail out there. Gonna do some talons and stuff right here. I got his head shaped and turned. So I gotta figure that out. I got another deep cut right here, so I'm gonna have to feather that in somehow as the wing, because this should be the wing up here a little bit. And then everything flows back, so I'll bring it right about there and then probably shave some more right here. So far so good. It's a pretty wet cut down, so there's sap coming out right there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there it is. But this is all with the gas saw, so I'm gonna probably switch to the electric now and start really forming it. So we gotta bring some more, I gotta reduce the head, bring the shoulders out so it's got some bulk, and then this can stay out here because this will be a beak, and then the eyes on both sides. So far so good. Let's keep it going. All right. Excuse me, throat's getting a little filthy. So rough shape, going pretty good. We got the head shaped a little bit. We got traced out the wing and the body. We'll probably take some more off right here. I don't like how that sticks out. We got the back pretty much done. We're gonna taper this a little bit more, give it that much more shape, and then we'll keep going from there. Hopefully you can see that. See my hand, I guess. There we go. Oh, I'm breathing hard. I had to go up and get some water. Walk back to the house. So. All right, so now we got this bad boy, and we're gonna do some shaping, and we'll get that all smooth and nice, and then we'll do the face. I brought another tool, a die cutter or grinder, and we'll go from here. See what we can do. Holy. All right, starting to get better. So let me clean up a little. All right, man, whew, sorry. I am dusty. That tool is amazing, but wow, does it create the dust. Probably should have a mask on too. Anyway, so next step. All right, let's make some feet. I gotta switch back to the gas-powered saw. So, like I said, I'm gonna block this out and then just cut a notch, and then I'll come back with the die grinder and we'll use a bit to just shape some claws and some talons, and we should be good to go. It's coming out pretty decent. Not too bad. Once I start burning it, I put all the feathers and the patterns on here and gave it the flares up here. The eyes are okay. And then the beak, probably shape it just a little bit more, and we're good to go. So let's get this saw started. All right, feet are done. So, God, sorry, clearing my throat. Still got tons of dust over. So now comes my favorite part. We're gonna burn it. So I just made the feet. They're kind of big, you know, but owl feet are big anyway. So, and then the beak, I don't mind how the beak came out. I might, yeah, no, it's all right, I guess. It's just fuzzy. So now we're gonna burn it. So all this part of the head and stuff of this owl is dark, and then the breast and the feet are, well, the feet are dark too, I believe. So, but let's get some color on this thing and see what happens. All right, there she is, completed. Talons came out better than I thought they would. Face could be better, but so could mine. I love how the feather pattern came out though. That is awesome. You know, and the tree just, the grain just does it for itself. I mean, it's just, you just put some grooves or something in there and then you just burn it away, and man, it's beautiful. Let's see if I can get around the other side. Oh, sun's right there, but yep, there's the other side. So hopefully they're gonna like this. We'll see what happens. Maybe I'll post it on Facebook tonight and so they can see it. So let's go over here and look at it from this way. There we go. Zoom in a little. Nice. Now they got a watch owl. Love it. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.